It starts in the brain, with a rush of signals. Heart rate increases and blood flow intensifies. Hormones like dopamine flood your entire system, leading to relaxation and a sense of well-being. It follows a natural process, known as the sexual response cycle. A single breath triggers a cascade of changes. Hormones race through the bloodstream, mapping a perfect symphony of mind and body. The cycle begins with arousal. The brain sends signals. These signals increase blood flow and prepare the body for sexual activity. As stimulation continues, the body enters the plateau phase.
Sustaining peak effort.
The next stage is orgasm. Waves of intense electrical activity flood the brain.
This is the shortest stage of the cycle. Coordinated muscle contractions release stored physical tension. Intense nervous system activity peaks and then resolves.
Endorphins and other neurotransmitters release throughout the body. Finally, the body enters the resolution phase. Heart rate and breathing gradually slowing. Throughout the entire process, the brain, nerves, hormones, muscles, and blood vessels work in remarkable coordination.
A complex biological cycle begins, powering every single heartbeat, triggering vast networks of electrical signals, a perfectly coordinated symphony of life.